flip the cube, and it is a throwing activity. Here's items you're going to need. You're going to need, well, I'm using inflatable bowling pins. This because it's a taller target. You can probably use regular bowling pins as well. I got these from US Games a few years ago. And then I have my colored cubes where there's a different color on each side. These are just 4x4 size boxes that I put some construction paper on each side and then tape them up. They make foam coated ones as well, like the pocket ones that you can purchase, but it was cheaper for me to buy these. And then I got poly spots underneath those, and then poly spots underneath the bowling pins. You're going to need a ball for the kids to throw, whatever kind you want, and then you want to try to make it so that there's an equal amount of each color for this game. So you want to have, like, whatever you want, 6 green, then you need 6 red balls, you need 6 blue, 6 makes sense, so that it stays nice and even. Because in this activity, students will have a partner. If your class sizes are large, they can go by themselves if you have room and plenty of equipment for it. The students are going to be on the sidelines, either sideline, and anybody else that has a green ball would be considered on my team. Now, we're not going to make a relay line or anything like that. I might have a team that's over there that has a green ball. There may be a green team over there. We can spread ourselves out, but we're working on that overhand throw. We have to knock down the bowling pin with the overhand throw. So, of course, we taught the kids about the critical elements of throwing. I've knocked it down. I'm going to go get the ball. I'm going to go grab the bowling pin and put it up. Then I go to the middle and I find a cube that's not showing green face up. So here's one. I will turn that. So I flip it so it's green is up. I go back to my partner and I hand the ball to my partner. In this activity, you can play it a couple different ways. You can play it until all your cubes are that color up, and how many cubes you put out, again, will depend on your class sizes. We have really large ones, so we put out a few extra. You can also do it where it's timed. You can time the kids, you can give them 1 minute, you can give them 2, you can give them 3 minutes. I would probably do 3 minutes. It's a good number because it's a little bit harder to be accurate with hitting those bowling pins. So give them about 3 minutes, and then you can stop and count how many, what team has the most face up, gets the point, or you can make it, okay, so there's 1, 2, 3, 4 orange, so orange just got 4 points, but blue has 1, 2 points, so then you can count those as well. Whichever team has that color up, they would also get that many points as well. So there's a couple of different variations for you. I hope that your students will enjoy this one. I'm Coach Pirillo reminding you to keep on moving.